Hi, it's David in the stained glass studio. I'm making an experiment here to try and make my own flashed glass. So what I've got is a piece of the papyrus paper, and so what I've got here is some papyrus paper, and it's down on the main shelf. Then I've got a piece of glass which is round. Now I've got put some blocks of fireproof material. Here I've dumped frit down here. This is clear glass down here, and now I've just got that set. Now I'm going to fire it, and hopefully that'll work. You know, hopefully it'll come out with the right color. Then we'll be able to cut the stars into it and sandblast them. You know, this is an experiment. If this doesn't work, then we'll just use a regular piece of blue. But here we go. We're going to put it in the kiln. This is our kiln that runs on 110 degrees. The other one runs on 220. We're not positive. Okay, and so on this little handle thing, it has a way to kind of leave an vent. So this is our kiln that runs on 110 volts. The one over there is 220 volts. And so I'm ready to set my temperature. Okay, we got it. All right. Here we go. We're ready to see how it turned out. I'm a little disappointed in that. Let me get it up out of here. We'll see just... Oh, look. My dams didn't hold up very well there. Don't want to touch that. Anyhow, see, now that's all. But I don't like the fact that it's not smooth.
Yeah.
As smooth. It should have been.
What's the other side look like?
Well, it's got the roughness of the. But you can't use that because this is the top. This is where you'd, you'd cut the stars into this so that it would turn white. And you can see there's, I don't know, might be interesting just to cut a chunk of it off just to see what a slice of it looks like. But that's not a successful experiment. We tried it. Okay, well, I think that was really fun. And I'm going to be playing with this a whole bunch more because I can see that piece of blue came out pretty good. In fact, some of it is able to be used, and we'll be able to use it as flashed glass. But I think I can even have better success. Anyhow, I love doing this. Here's one of these Christmas trees we did. where we had a clear piece of glass and then we put frit on it, and see how well that worked. I really like that little piece. Good decoration. Might want to try one of those for your holiday entertainment. All right, see you next time.